Hello everyone again, this is Leighton Strong, and this is my third video showing my super hot plants from back in January. I think I showed another video in April, and now we're into late June and we're out in the garden, not in my basement. These guys started out I think the first week of May out here, and we had some pretty cold nights, a couple with some good frost that I had to cover these guys up, spray them down with water, and they took a pretty big hit. Lost a lot of leaves, and all of the buds fell off, and they were full of flower buds, but they recuperated, got a lot of new growth. Here's a Fatali red plant. You can see some pods on it. Another one with some pods on it. Over here we have Carolina Reapers. I've got a couple pods on a plant, on one plant. Oh, here's a Trinidad Moruga scorpion plant. It's got a nice pod on it. But the Carolina Reapers are kind of the last ones to flower. There's another Trinidad Moruga. I think there's a couple pods on this Reaper plant right here, but it's hard to get to. They're not really perfectly shaped like you want to see. So here's a 7-pot plant. This was the last one I put in the ground. I thought about putting it in a pot, and he's got some pods on it. Ghost pepper plant that I purchased at a nursery. I got 3 of those. There's another Trinidad Moruga. These are 7 pots. 7 pot. 7 pot. They're just starting to get the buds back on them. But I put lime in the soil out here early or late winter actually. I used some cotton seed compost, cotton compost, and do have some leaves from last fall in here that was tilled in, but they're doing pretty well considering the very cold frost that they had to deal with 2 nights in a row. They were about a quarter the size of what they were or at now, right now. So pretty good view. The Trinidads are doing the best in size. That's one right there. There's another one right there. The Fatalis were the ones that were growing the tallest, and they've kind of slowed down compared to everybody else. The Reapers are really growing a lot right now. Those are the back 2 rows, with the exception of that one right there in the middle. But there's 9 Reaper plants, 5 in the back, and then the first 4 on the next row in. So I'll post another video later in the summer. Again, this is June 21st or 22nd, so give you a little idea how they're doing. Have a great summer.